Hello everyone, my name is ABDULLAH from 1 Delima. Today I'm going to show you guys how to build DIY automatic hand sanitizer dispenser. Okay guys, the goal for this project is to dispense liquid sanitizer without touching or holding the dispenser. The materials and components needed for this project are as follows: recycled boxes, stationery tape, glue, test pen, cutter or scissor, AA battery with holder, 8 AA battery with holder, main control PCB which can be programmed using Android apps, relay motor control PCB, IR sensor PCB, LED PCB, 104 capacitor, 150mm cable ties, 40 cm jumper wire 8F to F, 15 mm PVC elbow, mini submersible water pump DC which I already attached 30 cm PVC tube. And lastly, a plastic container which I already poured in hand sanitizer liquid. Okay, let's go to the programming part. I download M9 apps from the Play Store to program the main control PCB. Alright then, let's go. Let's go to the electronic and wiring parts. There are 4 main parts, which are the main control PCB, LED PCB, IR sensor PCB, and also relay motor control PCB. These 3 components must be connected to the main control PCB. First, the LED PCB must be connected to the black and white jumper wire. The white jumper wire must be connected to the in male connector, and the black jumper wire must be connected to the ground male connector. On the other end of the jumper wire, the white jumper wire must be connected to the D-out2 terminal, like this, D-out2 terminal, and the black jumper wire must be connected to the ground. For the IR sensor, we must use jumper wire which consists of 3 colors, which are blue, grey, and purple. The grey wire must be connected to the off male connector, like this. The purple wire must be connected to the ground, and the blue wire must be connected to the VCC, which are the volt. Okay, on the other half of the wire, the grey jumper wire must be connected to the D-in1. For the purple wire, we must connect it to the ground. For the blue jumper wire, we must connect it to the volt. Lastly, we must connect the relay motor control PCB with the 3-wire jumper. After that, we must connect the mini submersible water pump DC to the relay motor control PCB, also along with the 104 capacitor. We must use a test pen to connect these 2 parts. Then, we must connect it with these jumper wires that consist of 3 colors, which are green, yellow, and orange to the relay motor control PCB. Okay, the green jumper wire must be connected to the in male connector, and the yellow jumper wire must be connected to the ground male connector, and the orange jumper wire must be connected to the 5-volt male connector. On the other side of the jumper wires, after that, we need to connect the power supply to the relay motor control PCB. The blue jumper wire must be connected to the right hand side, and the green jumper wire must be connected to the left hand side of the power supply. In the battery holder, we must insert the AA battery, and then we are going to connect the motherboard or the main control PCB with its power supply. Now, I will download the programming that I've set earlier from my smartphone to the main control PCB. Once everything has been downloaded, we have to test our DIY project to ensure it works properly. Once everything is in order, I will place the mini submersible water pump into the plastic container and insert a 30 cm tube through the hole of the plastic container lid. Then, tighten the relay motor control by using a 150mm cable tie. Okay, it will look like this. We will use a recycle box for our dispenser. I will attach a small piece of cardboard at the top front of the recycle box with glue. After that, place the plastic container into the recycle box. Push out the tube, IR sensor, and also the LED PCB jumper wire through the hole, and it will look like this: the IR sensor jumper wire and the LED PCB jumper wire. Connect the IR sensor PCB to its jumper wire and the LED PCB to its jumper wire. Now, take the 15mm PVC elbow and insert it into the tube. You can also use a test pen to help you to go through the tube. Okay, for finishing, we can tape or glue these 2 PCB on top of the small cardboard. Connect the AA battery to the relay motor control. Last but not least, you must also connect the 8 AA battery to the main control PCB. But don't forget to on it. Okay guys, let's see if our DIY automatic hand sanitizer works. Place our hand underneath the IR sensor. If the IR sensor detects obstacle, it will release the hand sanitizer liquid. Alright, our DIY project works perfectly. So my project is a success.